So in this video I'm gonna discuss with you the top 3 best SEO plugin for WordPress website, and also I'm gonna tell you why do we need an SEO plugin for WordPress website, and the third thing would be which plugin would be the best for you. So there was a big list and I've compiled it down to the top 3. So guys, before I begin, if you're new here, my name is Yavar Khan and I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews and tips on how to build an online brand. So please consider subscribing and just click the bell icon, so when I create a new video you'll be notified. So let's get started. Okay, so to install a WordPress plugin, all you have to do is go on plugins, add new. So the third on my list would be, you just have to type SEO. So the third on my list is all-in-one SEO pack. Okay, so guys, again, all these plugins are easy to install and it's very easy to set up. I'm not gonna go step by step instruction on how to install this, but I'm just gonna give you an overview. And all these plugins are free, but there's a pro version. There are some features which are already in pro version. So guys, it's really easy. All you have to do is, once this is activated, you just have to click on SEO setting. So if you type here "you are the best," this would be your WordPress website title. So as you could see, if you want to change it, you can optimize it as per your keyword. Right now, just for example, this is "you are the best." You can type any keyword you want. This would be over here. Just leave all this as it is. As this section is used to verify your website with Google. It's really easy. Again, all you have to do is click here, read the documentation. This is for Google Analytics. Okay, I'll just explain you this one. Default to no index. So basically these are pages or posts which you don't want Google to index. So basically that would be anything regarding forms or projects which you don't want Google to index. It's really as it is. Everything is here, and then that's it. The second on my list would be, you can just search SEO. So the second would be on my list is WordPress SEO plugin Rank Math. So guys, this plugin is much more in detail. Someone who's advanced, it has a lot more features. One of the best feature I like is redirection. So basically what it means is, let's say you delete a page or a post on your WordPress website, and then you could redirect that URL to your home page. So this one feature is really good. I can just activate and show it to you. So it's really easy to activate. Just click activate. First I'll just deactivate this plugin. You just have to run a setup wizard, but it's really easy. You can do it. I'm not going to explain you in this video. If you want a good explanation about this plugins, just please comment below so I could just make an tutorial. So the one which I really like is redirection. So if there's any web page which you have deleted, so you could just create a redirect. And also 404 monitor. If there are some pages on your website which gives an 404 error, so this one would help you know that this page is giving an error, so you could just redirect it. And the first one which I recommend everyone, the plugin is, I'm just gonna show it to you right now. I'm just gonna deactivate it. And that's done. The one SEO plugin which I recommend to install is Yoast SEO, guys, because it's really simple and it's really easy to follow, and anyone can install it, and it's very easy. I'm just gonna show it to you. All you have to do is activate it. Just go on settings. If you're installing the plugin for the first time, just click on this wizard. So it's a configuration wizard. I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it. You can just click next. Yes, your website is live. Choose your site type. So for me it would be a blog. If it's your online shop, if it's your e-commerce business, you could choose this thing. If it's a small offline business, you could choose this one. If it's a corporation, just choose whatever is the correct one for you. You can choose an organization or person, but I'm not going to do this. I'm just going to close the wizard. I'm just going to tell you how to use this plugin. So let's say you're in a post and you want to rank your post for, again, for football tricks. So what you could do is just come down. Once you have written all your posts, all your data and everything, all your blog posts, just come down over here. You could change your meta descriptions. You could change your page title. You could see SEO analysis, it gives you everything. Add a related key phrase. So football should be your SEO, and then you can just change this thing. You can type anything you want. So let's say you want to optimize for football. The best thing would be, let's say you want to optimize for football, you can just say football games, tricks, Sky News, just an example. You just paste it over here, and then you can just put your website name. It's really easy, and it also gives you indicators that, you know, key phrase length is good, everything is good. So yes, that's it guys. These are the top 3 plugins, the best SEO plugins in what I recommend, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. And also I have a free gift for you. I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. It's a step-by-step instructions. The link is in the bio, so if you want, just click below. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video.